adding and subtracting fractions, when the denominators are not the same, you have to rewrite the fractions so that they do have the same denominator. From the last video clip, I showed you the easiest way to get a common denominator, and that is to multiply the first fraction by the second denominator over itself, and the second fraction by the first denominator over itself. However, ultimately, finding the common denominator is not enough. What we really want is the least common denominator. For example, 1/3 plus 1/6 we could compute by making 18 the common denominator. But actually, we only need to rewrite 1/3, while 18 is a common denominator in this example. 6 is the smallest common denominator. There are a couple of ways of finding the LCD. Take for example 1/12 plus 9/14. We could list the multiples of 12 and the multiple of 14. The first number that appears on both lists will be the LCD. This method works fine when the denominators are not that large. If the denominators are very large, we can use the prime factors of the denominators to find the LCD more efficiently. The LCD will consist of every prime factor in each denominator. To find the LCD for 1/12 and 9/14, factor 12 and 14 into their prime factorizations. There are 2 2's and 1 3 in the prime factorization of 12. So the LCD will have 2 2's and 1 3. There is 1 2 in the prime factorization of 14, but this 2 is covered by the 2's from 12. There is 1 7 in the prime factorization of 14. So the LCD will also have a 7 as a factor. Once you have computed the LCD, divide the LCD by each denominator. Multiply each fraction by this number over itself. That's it for today. Take care.